Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Canva brand assets, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Canva account. Navigate to the home page where your designs are displayed. Locate the brand kit option from the left sidebar and click on it. In the brand kit, you will see all your brand assets organized. Identify the specific asset types you want to back up, such as logos, colors, and fonts. For logos, click on each logo to open it in the editor. Select the logo you wish to download. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose the Download option from the drop-down menu. Select your desired file type, such as PNG or JPG. Click Download to save the logo to your device. Next, return to the brand kit to back up your color palette. Write down or take a screenshot of the color codes displayed. For fonts, note the font names used in your brand kit. If you wish to save font styles, you may need to search for them separately. Return to the home page and open a design featuring your brand elements. Download any specific graphic designs that include your branding. Repeat the download process for each design, selecting the appropriate file types. Once you have all brand assets and color codes saved, organize them in a dedicated folder on your device. Consider creating backups in cloud storage for added security. Regularly update your backup whenever you make changes to your brand assets. This ensures you always have the latest versions available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.